how to draft videos on YouTube Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on YouTube. Now for this video, I'm going to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and simply click a random video. So let's just click a random video over here. So let's tap on the plus icon. So I'm going to select on shorts here. So let's click a video for a while and let's continue and then stop it. Now as you do that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom top left corner of the screen, and here you can see the option of delete, save and exit and cancel. So there's particularly no option to save this particular video as draft on YouTube Android. So possibly, unfortunately, this is the option that we cannot find the draft videos on YouTube Android as of now. So you can simply tap on save and exit, and this might be the option of draft other than saying directly as draft. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.